In this video, I am going to show you how to add PayPal to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add PayPal to it. So at first we need to log into our Wix website dashboard. Now from the Wix website dashboard, click on Billing and Payments. And after that, just click on Payments. Now click on Manage Payment Methods. You can confirm your location from here or you can also change it from here. So I am going to confirm it. Now here we will see different payment methods based on our location. So we want to add PayPal to our website. So we are going to click on Connect next to the PayPal option. After that we need to add our PayPal email here and then scroll down and click on Connect. So now it will take us to the PayPal. And now we need to sign in with our PayPal account, and after that our PayPal account will be connected with our Wix website. So this is how you can connect PayPal with your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.